September is National REALTOR Safety Month, and the goal of the REALTOR Safety Program is to reduce the number of safety incidents that occur in the industry. The time to implement a safety policy is now. If you aren't sure what safety protocols are in place at your office, ask your broker. Decide what you want your safety strategy to be when it comes to meeting new clients, and follow it every time without exception. Make safety your priority. Don't take chances and break your safety policy to make a sale. The National Association of Realtors offers programs for members to plan their safety strategy. Visit nar.realtor/safety to use these resources. Schedule time every month for safety training and education. There are numerous webinars, videos, and articles to educate realtors on a variety of topics, including working with clients, open house safety, safety at the office, cybersecurity, and more. You can also visit the safety page on our website for more safety resources, trainings, and tools. Be successful, but first, be safe. Thank you for watching.